We're out here working on the water line that goes to the pig pen. That grant we got was funding for this. This week, Phil's already got the trench already dug and some pipe laid out. We got pinch laying the rest of the pipe out and clean out the ditch. But it starts right up there at that gate. It goes all the way down there. You see a little white speck. It's probably about 550 feet, 600 maybe. So I gotta get this done today before the rain comes in.
December the 15th, 2023. Beautiful day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Running a water line for Josh's pigs.
We got the last 2 sticks, about to go glue them, and then on to the more labor-intensive task of cleaning this trench out. So we're at the water meter. This is where we're going to tie in. Have water all the way up to this point. Eventually we got to get water to the red building across there. We are going that way, all the way to the trees. Got this small gauge wire here. We're putting it in the trench. It'll be sticking out on each end in the handhole. And this will be to locate the water line anytime in the future if we have to. Bringing in the cavalry. It'll make this a whole lot easier filling in the hole. I'm wore out. Got that much to go. We're cleaning out the ditch. Handhole is installed. Now we got to connect it on the other end and we will have water to this point. Pigs are right there. Going to be a huge game changer for us, saving us labor, time, and making us ultimately more efficient. This summer we were having to pump water from the pond. It's over there behind them bushes. And I'm all about having ponds. That's a self-sufficient supply of water. But during a drought, that's not a reliable source of water. And we were having to pump water and the pond kept getting lower and lower and lower. We were having to move the pump. Thought we were gonna run out of water. This is gonna be a game changer. Pretty excited about it.